Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Among Us on Mac without Bluestacks step by step. Start by checking system specs and choosing Steam or a native Mac installer, then download and install the game. I'll walk you through account setup, launching the app, and configuring controls and audio for best performance. Follow my sequence, and you'll be in a lobby quickly with minimal fuss and clear voice chat settings. Begin by opening the Mac App Store or Steam and locate Among Us, then initiate the download. I'll guide you through login or purchase, plus setting download preferences for speed and storage location. After installation, run a quick permissions check to allow microphone and network access. These small steps prevent launch errors and help maintain consistent performance so you can join games without interruptions. Or once installed, open Among Us and customize settings to match your Mac's capabilities and your play style. I'll explain how to lower visual effects, set optimal frame rates, and map controls for better responsiveness. We'll also verify audio permissions and run a quick voice test so you can discuss tasks and suspicions clearly. These tweaks create a reliable, low-latency experience for both casual and competitive sessions on Mac OS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.